Guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, we'll go ahead and do an example related to operators in Apex. So the first thing I'm going to have integer values. Then I am saying result is equals to result plus 10. So I am adding 10 to the value of result. Then I'm going ahead and display the value. System.debug result equals to this, then plus result. So when I say 100 plus 10, so the new value of the result would be 110. So this thing should print 110. Because what are we doing here is we are saying result is equals to 100 and then we are adding 10 to it. So then 100 plus 10 will become 110. Then next thing is we are saying result is equals to result minus 5. And then I am going ahead and display the value of result again. System dot of debug, and I'm saying result is equals to result minus 5 and then plus result. This is the new value of result. So in this case, 110 result is equals to 110 minus of 5 means we are subtracting 5 from 110. So that will become 105. So the new value of result would be 105. Then we are saying result is equals to result multiply by 10. So we are going ahead and display the value of this. Result is equals to result multiply by 10. Display the new value of result. System.debug and copy this. Result is equals to value of these would be displayed here plus result. So what will be the output? In this case, since the new value of result is 105, multiply by 10, it will become 1050. That's going to be the value. Then we are saying result is equals to result divided by 2. So then I am going ahead and display the value of result again. System.debug, copy this, paste this, and then I'm going ahead and display the value of result. So this would be 1050 divided by 2 will become 525. That will be the value of result. So now let's go ahead and use our addition assignment operators instead of using the longer version. So if you remember in the PPT, we had assignment equals to. So rather than saying x is equals to x plus y, I can say x plus equals to y. So then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create another variable and I will call it as output. And I'm going ahead and assign the value of output to 100 again. Okay. So, but what I'm going to do here is instead of saying result is equals to result plus 10, I'm going to say output plus equals to 10. And then I'm going ahead and display the value. So I'm going to say system.debug, and I'm going ahead and display the value of this. So here the output is should come to be 110. Then the next statement I will say is output. What we are doing here is -5. So I will go ahead and say minus equals to 5. So I will say that both these things are resulting into the same output. Even though you are writing like this or writing like this, both should result in the same output. So then next one would be result is equals to result -5. Instead of writing that, I'm going to say subtraction assignment operator, and then I am going to use the debug statement system.debug, and I'm going to copy this so that I know what is going to be which output it is. So I'm going to say plus, and I will display the value of the output. So here the output should come out to be 105. Then the next I'm saying is result is equals to result multiplied by 10. I'm not using the multiplication assignment operator here, but here I am going to use the multiplication assignment operator and say output multiply is equals to 10, and then say this and display the value of output. System.debug, copy this, then plus output. In this case, the output value should be 1050. Then I am saying here, I am saying result is equals to result divided by 2. Rather than doing that, I can say output divided by equals to 2. It should give me the same result. So now if I go ahead and just do system.debug and I copy this, see, this is nothing to do with the result. This is just for your display purpose. So you know what you are doing. And then I'm going ahead and display output. So now what this is what's happening. So this output should be equals to 525. So the main agenda here is that we have created two variables, result and output. These are two variables. These are two integer variables, and both of them are equals to 100. In the top program, in this section of the code, what we are doing is we are not using the shorter forms. We are displaying the longer forms, like we are adding here subtraction, multiplication, and division. But in the bottom half of the program, what we are doing is we are using the addition assignment operator, multiplication assignment operator, and the output would be same. So if you use this, or if you go ahead and use something like this, both should result in the same output. So let's go ahead and see if our expected result is equals to what the actual result is. So let's go ahead and hit the execute. And then I'm going to debug only here. And let's open our execute anonymous window. So yes, you can see here, we were saying the result of this one should be 110, which is correct. Then the next result is minus 5, which is 105. That is also correct. Then the third one would be result multiplied by 10. This should be equals to 1050, which is also correct. So you can see this debug statement is the line number 7. So you can see the line number as well. So you will know that which debug statement got executed. So it will give you the line number next to it. Then the ninth is the another debug statement, and it comes out to be 525. Now, if you remember here, the 12th, we are using the additional assignment operator, but the output came out to be the same, 110, because we initialized the value of 100 here as well as 100 here. So rather than using these operators, we are using the addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, and the division assignment operator. So the output came out to be the same, exact same output. So these are the different operators in Apex. And we are also having a lot of logical operators and stuff. So we'll go ahead and use those logical operators in the next upcoming tutorials. So till then, have a good day. Bye.